وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى. For indeed, the latter period shall be better for you than the earlier. So the latter would be better than the former. Now this is a promise from Allah, that what is to come is going to be better than what you have now. And that is a promise not only to the Prophet, that is a promise to all believers, that every passing day, your destiny and your future is better than what you are leaving behind. And again, if you look at the words here, the words which are used, وَلَلْ آخِرَةُ, it could have been said wal akhiratu, and the latter to come, but Allah says walal akhiratu, and indeed the additional L in there, the lam, additional lam in there, it makes it indeed, and indeed the life to come, definitely the life to come or the time to come, the latter period to come is better than the former. Khayrun means better, laka means for you, minal ula means than the earlier. And Allah could have said the life hereafter, in the life hereafter is better than the life in this world, which had been very true. But no, Allah Ta'ala is saying, in this life and the hereafter, every passing day is going to be better and would come with more success and would come with more blessings for a believer, which is in contrast to the general pattern of life, that life is usually following a pattern of diminishing returns. As you go older, you lose more in life. The strength, the power, the agility, you get more diseases. But Allah is saying no. For a believer, as you spend more time, you accumulate more good deeds. So the cumulative effects of your good deeds is that your destiny is getting better and better.